At Komplet America, we provide more than machines. We offer peace of mind, starting before your equipment ever leaves the yard. Every machine is now equipped with a Tenna tracker, giving you real-time access to location, run hours, service status, and more. Tenna is a leading equipment tracking and fleet management platform, built for contractors by contractors. Their rugged trackers and easy-to-use software give you real-time visibility into your fleet, helping you cut costs, reduce downtime, and stay in control. Every new Komplet machine includes a complimentary 2-year Tenna subscription, installed, activated, and ready for real-time tracking.
Through our partnership with Tenna, we're able to install and activate GPS trackers right here at our facility, so every machine leaves our yard fully connected and ready to go to work.
Our team unboxes, verifies, and prepares each tracker, ensuring it's matched to the right machine and customer from the start. Installation happens here, not in the field. Before your machine ships, our technicians hardwire the Tenna tracker directly into the equipment's electrical system, securing it in a protected location for maximum signal strength and long-term reliability. During prep, we inspect wiring, confirm power connection, and test the unit to ensure your machine arrives fully connected and ready to perform on day one.
It's a plug-and-play experience for the customer. When the unit arrives, they just log in. The data is already flowing.
No two Komplet machines are exactly the same, which is why we don't take a one-size-fits-all approach. Our team takes the time to identify the ideal placement on each model, making sure the tracker stays protected and performs reliably no matter where the machine goes to work. Before any unit ships, we sync each tracker with the customer's Tenna account. This ensures that as soon as the machine hits the job site, it's live, visible, and already reporting data like location, runtime, and maintenance intervals.
We don't just sell machines, we support every unit with the tools and the data that contractors need to stay ahead.
We use this data too, to provide faster support, quicker diagnostics, and proactive service when you need it most. It's about more than tracking. It's about working together to protect your investment and performance. From tracker installation to service alerts, we take extra steps others don't, because uptime isn't optional for our customers. Tenna doesn't stop with your Komplet equipment. You can track and manage your entire fleet, from skid steers to service trucks, all from one dashboard. Our customers know they're supported from the yard to the job site and everywhere in between. With Komplet and Tenna, you don't just get equipment, you get confidence. And that's something you can count on. Contact us today to learn how Komplet America and Tenna are changing the way compact equipment works for you.